this is a perfect spot for a little bit of lunch. What do you think?
To eat our fabulous food from the bakery.
Yeah, the wee bakery.
And look what I've got.
Ooh, olives.
Mediterranean cookie.
Can I try the middle?
Nope.
You're not trying mine then.
We share.
So not. In the fridge. And here's mine from the bakery. This is huge. I'm never going to eat all this. Cheese and ham cookie.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Brief stop in Fort Augustus before we go to the Loch Ness campsite. Like it here. Got the locks behind us and we've got Loch Ness on the other direction.
And hail all around us.
We're on the Caledonian Canal.
Ooh.
Big locks.
I wonder how many there are. Any idea?
No? That's a lot of water that's moving every time these lock gates are opening. Not your regular lock, not your regular canal. It's a Caledonian Canal.
See you there. I think you're high-fiving, that's rubbish. I get what you meant now. I was like, hey!
Brothy, cafe, lock-in, butcher, Highland shop, Legion, all shut. What's that about? Is it still COVID, do you think?
It's got to be the COVID. Well, but they're just out of COVID, aren't they? But it's just that everywhere's so quiet, which is a real annoyance because we can't get any snacks, can't go to a pub.
That's the main one.
Yeah.
Getting a pint.
All the pubs are closed.
Not all of them.
There's the odd few, but we're having to really search, aren't we?
And there it is, Loch Ness. That'll make a great photo in a minute. So how long do you think Loch Ness is?
It's the actual Loch Ness.
This is Loch Ness, how long do you think it is? Have a guess.
Could it be a rubbish guess?
Let's have a guess. Come on. You're thinking too hard.
23 miles.
You're unbelievable.
What?
It's 24.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Is there a prize?
Yes, you get a free dip in the pool.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, get me. Genius.
Unbelievable. We've just sorted it, but we've hit the third issue of our motorhoming holiday in Scotland. So first of all, it was leak and shower. Took it to a motorhome dealer, well, took it to get it fixed. Then we had the cracked windscreen on the way to Inverness in a couple of days' time to get that fixed. And today, the bumpy road ruined our waste disposal point. I'll show you what I mean. On our motorhome, you turn this handle and it lets the grey waste out. It suddenly went very, very floppy. The pipe runs all the way to here, and all the bouncing around on the Scottish roads has meant that this has popped off. It's such a tight space to get that back in. We loosened these two screws. Not sure if we need to do that or not. It's basically it's sprung load. These feel a bit loose. Could have been that's allowed it to move, but anyway, we've got it back on now. So all is good. We can have showers.
And we can go and have a gin now. I spent the whole afternoon doing this instead of going on a bike ride. But it's done. That's it. We've had our 3 problems. We're all sorted.
Hopefully.
No more.
Hopefully.
Guess what we're in search of?
I was going to say, as walks go, this is a great walk to the pub. Finally got here. We actually took a long way round to get here. We shouldn't have gone through the woods at all, but here's our first drink on Loch Ness. A bit exciting, isn't it? What have you got?
Gorgeous, can't remember what it is, but G&T with all the shebang.
On Loch Ness? Do you believe in monsters and Loch Ness monsters?
Oh God, what's coming?
Nothing's coming.
Okay.
No.
Do I believe in her?
Yeah.
Do I believe in Nessie?
Yeah.
No.
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 Do you think we'll get a chance to see her?
Do you know it's a her?
I don't know, is it?
I don't know why. Where's this going?
It's not going anywhere.
Oh really? Okay.
No. Okay. So you don't think we're going to see Loch Ness?
No.
Monster? No.
No.
Okay. Right, well anyway, let's finish our drinks. Are you impressed by the waterfall? It's a good one.
It's a good one. The rain's definitely helped, hasn't it? Last night we had a lot of rain.
Yeah. And at the end of our short walk around the falls of Foyers, we have a cafe. Perfect.
Perfect. After all that walking,
Yeah.
very slippy down there. So it's been raining. Be super careful. I nearly went to my bottom 2 or 3 times.
This is a path the lady at the campsite recommended not to come this way, so we came this way.
Here we are.
I think it takes a good 30 seconds off the road route though.
Is that all?
Every second counts. Breaking the rain, so we're heading out. Quick bike ride. It could get very wet.
No need for speed.
No speed?
No, not on this one.
A little bit of speed.
Not much.
Just a little bit of speed.
It's going to be slippy. down in one piece. That's happy days.
There's still one more corner.
Might be what's it? The front convoy slowing you down.
Snow, beginning of May.
So glad we packed the bikini and the summer dresses. I don't think they're going to be needed, do you?
What do you mean they? I haven't packed a bikini. Now that is a pipe and a half.
Well, it is actually the 6th of May and we have so much snow.
Didn't pack for this, did we?
No, we did not pack for this. It looks beautiful. It's so gorgeous, and you can just make out there's a loch down there that we're going to head to. That's incredible though. So much snow.
Well, I think that's 1-0 to Scotland's weather and 0 to us. Completely got us there. Freezing, can't feel my hands. Everything is soaking wet.
The bathroom is disgusting now. It's got all the coats in and they're so dirty.
Everything is so wet and so cold.
But it was a really good ride, wasn't it? It was so worth it.
It was good for the first bit.
Look at
Not as
that.
difficult as I thought.
Want it to push you?
No.
No. I don't think I can get on it.
If I can get on the big one,
No. But
you've got to be able to get on this.
dirty.
Oh.
This is not going to happen. Hang on. Oh, sorry, just turning your finger.
Yeah. At least you're on anyway. If you think getting on's hard, getting off's even harder.
Oh yeah, how did you do that?
You have to...
I landed on it. When something getting dirty, look, kind of. Oh, that's hysterical. Oh. Brilliant. This is our 7th site, Bunchrew Caravan Park. Great views. And Katie is placed right in front of the loch. Is that right?
I don't know if it's a loch, this one. I think it might just be...
No, there's only 2 lakes apparently in Scotland.
Yeah, I think this might be an estuary.
Ooh, estuary. Anyway, we're going to head into Inverness, into town, and the bus stop is just there at the entrance of the campsite. Perfectly positioned, and it takes us roughly
15 minutes.
15 minutes on the bus. Perfect.
And we're on the bus, and there is the Carthago Bridge. Well, this is a bit different. In a city centre, not always our first choice, but the food looks good. Make a bit of a change.
Looks delicious. I've got risotto with vegetable chips and a coffee. We do always seem to be eating, don't we? But we do quite a lot of exercise.
So here we go. The next fix for our motorhome, the windscreen crack or chip. National Windscreen's kindly here to fix it for us. And we've got, what's your name?
My name's Michael Bruce.
And we've got Michael Bruce here doing it for us. So as you can see, just a tiny chip there, but if it gets bigger, we've got big problems. So we're getting it sorted as soon as possible. We're just having the resin injected, and then that machine on there will basically push all that resin into the cracks to seal it.